In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a shared drive in Google Drive. If you've ever been part of a group or team project, you already know how important it is to have everyone on the same page when it comes to accessing files. Luckily, Google Drive makes this process easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Google Drive homepage. If you're already logged in, you can use a bookmark or open your drive directly. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. From here, look for the section labeled Shared with Me. This is where you'll find all the files and folders that others have shared with you, and it's a great way to keep track of shared documents for work, school, or personal projects. Once you're in the Shared with Me section, locate the specific file, folder, or document you want to add someone to. Click to select it, and you'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and the action icons appear at the top or side of your screen. Now, look for the Share icon. This is usually represented by a silhouette of a person with a plus sign next to it. Clicking this will open the sharing settings for that file, allowing you to control access and permissions. In the sharing settings, type the email address of the person you want to add. Double check that the email is correct to avoid giving access to the wrong person. Once the email is entered, choose the level of access you want them to have: viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer allows them to see the file only, commenter lets them leave feedback, and editor gives full access to make changes. After setting the correct access level, click Send. Google Drive will notify the person that they've been invited to view or collaborate on the file. This process is designed to be quick and efficient, yet it gives you full control over who can see or edit your important documents. For added convenience, you can manage or remove users later by revisiting the same sharing settings. This is helpful for keeping shared files secure and ensuring that only relevant team members have access. Remember, collaboration is key, and keeping your team connected and informed is much easier when everyone has the right permissions. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to a shared drive in Google Drive. Simple, efficient, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep sharing, collaborating, and staying organized, and happy working.